Hey guys, welcome back to my hair recipes. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to share the recipe of mini paneer tikkas. So for making mini paneer tikkas, we need to marinate the paneer. So for marination, we require 1 cup of curd. Whisk the curd properly before adding any ingredients. Add salt to taste. Now it's time to add red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala half teaspoon. You can adjust the spices according to your taste. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix the ingredients properly. Now it's time to add red food color with lemon juice and mix. Now add Kasuri methi half teaspoon. Now it's time to add our veggies, capsicum and onions. After adding the veggies, we are going to add the mini cubes of paneer. Now mix the paneer and the veggies together. The mixture should be mixed evenly and keep the mixture aside to marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. After marinating the paneer, put the paneer on mini skewers. Instead of mini skewer, you can use the toothpick, which is easily available at your home. Now heat the pan and add oil and fry the mini paneer tikkas. Approximately it will take 6 to 8 minutes. Now our paneer is ready to serve. Hope you all enjoyed the recipe and thank you for watching.